In the realm of automotive enthusiasts, Alfa Romeo holds a reward status second to that of Daiti, renowned for crafting beautiful sports cars that once dominated the racing scene. Alfa's legacy harks back to the bygone era. However, in recent history, many of their new models have failed to capture the same mythical status. Despite this, there have been a few shining stars among their modern lineup. Let's delve into the 7 modern Alfa Romeos that stand out from the crowd. Number 1, Alfa Romeo 155 Q4. Following Fiat's takeover of Alfa Romeo, the 155 was a departure from the brand's traditional rear-wheel drive roots. Based on the Fiat Tipo platform, it lacked the iconic features that enthusiasts adored. However, the 155 Q4 stood out by integrating the legendary Lancia Delta Integral's all-wheel drive system. This innovative addition transformed its driving dynamics, delivering exceptional grip and handling. Number 2, Alfa Romeo 4C. The 4C was Alfa Romeo's return to its sporty roots, offering a lightweight, nonsense driving experience. Despite its small size engine and seemingly high price tag, the 4C carbon fiber construction and minimalist interior showcased its dedication to performance. With accelerating acceleration and razor-sharp handling, the 4C provided driving arena, albeit with some compromises in comfort. Number 3, Alfa Romeo Spider Duetto. While not a modern model per se, Spider Duetto optimizes Alfa Romeo's timeless charm. With production continuing until 1993, it retained its classic design while receiving updates for improved performance and safety. Number 4, Alfa Romeo 147 GTA. The 147 GTA represented Alfa Romeo's uncompromising pursuit of power and excitement. Equipped with a potent 3.2-liter V6 engine, it boasted more power than its rivals in the hot hatchback segment. While its front-wheel drive layout presented challenges like tall steer, the GTA's thrilling performance and captivating exhaust note ensured it stood out among enthusiasts. Number 5, Alfa Romeo Stelvio. In an era dominated by SUVs, the Stelvio marked Alfa Romeo foray into the lucrative crossover market. Despite initial skepticism from purists, the Stelvio's success played a crucial role in Alfa Romeo's financial turnaround. With its Ferrari drive platform and improved quality, the Stelvio offered a balance of performance and practicality, appealing to a broader audience while securing the brand's future. Number 6, Alfa Romeo 8C. The 8C optimized Alfa Romeo's commitment to automotive artistry and performance. With its breathtaking design and Ferrari's source V8 engine, the 8C captivated enthusiasts worldwide. While it may have been criticized for its twitchy handling, the 8C allure lay in its rarity, exclusivity, and the sheer joy it provided to those fortunate enough to experience its raw power and beauty. Number 7, Alfa Romeo Giulia. Representing the epitome of Alfa Romeo's resurgence, the Giulia embodied the brand's return to form. Developed by former Ferrari engineer, it showcased a blend of Italian craftsmanship and performance. With a twin-turbo V6 engine and cutting-edge technology, the Giulia outperformed its rivals on both road and track. In conclusion, while Alfa Romeo may have faced challenges in recent years, these modern models demonstrate the brand's enduring spirit of innovation and passion. From the track-inspired Giulia to the timeless charm of the Spider Duetto, each model represents a unique chapter in Alfa Romeo's storied history. As the automotive landscape continues to evolve, Alfa Romeo remains committed to delivering vehicles that captivate the hearts and minds of enthusiasts around the world. So friends, that's our today's video. If you think this video is helpful for you and it gave you some knowledge about cars, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting and amazing videos in future. Thank you.